Hi everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to know how to use ChatGPT for Python programs. Yes, Python is the latest and trending programming language, and if you learn for AI tools to using Python programming language, it's a super easy. Let's see Python plus ChatGPT, how to use and write code by AI tool itself. See, chat.openai.com is a URL. It's a non-profit and open source code. Write what you want, get the answer immediately. Yes, it's a tool is getting better on every day. So register now for free. Create an account with your Google or Microsoft account to register as a free user. What you want to know and test it for greatly, you will understand like ChatGPT. Let's see, go to Google. Just simply here you can type ChatGPT and hit enter. See, ChatGPT is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. It is built on top OpenAI's GPT-3 family large language models. So the optimizing the language models and the dialogue search engine dialogue engine which is added. Based on your query, the AI tool is recognized and it will give you the output very short time. Let's see. Let's go to here and open AI. This is the window you will get as an official site. Try ChatGPT. So here you will get this is a window. If you are not registered, it will ask you to create a sign up. Yes, using Google or Microsoft account to sign up. And yes, new chart here it is there, and here is a window where you need to write the query here. Yes, what is my query is I would like to show you a simple program to asking like a calculator program in Python. If you want to get in a JavaScript or a C# or Java, which you want, you can prepare it. Now let's see, my question is write a calculator program in Python is my question. Let's see, take a copy of this query and go back here for ChatGPT and paste. Write a calculator program in Python. How we'll send a message of chat message, the same way we are sending. Submit the query. Now let's see, chat this robot AI tool is preparing a code for calculator program. Yes, this is what I'm trying to discussing you. Yes, it's it's using a function. See the basic explanation, the basic calculator program of the prompts the users to asking two operations. One is the operation, which is the operation is required, and two numbers to perform the action. So input it is taken, if else statement which is prepared inside in a particular function. See def, it's nothing but defining a function in Python. So calculator is a function name, and operator, what is the input it is asking, number 1 and number 2 input and float values, even if you want to take it, and operations of a plus if it is print, and a minus subtraction, and multiplication, division, what you want. If it is there any other symbol, if you want to, if you are entered here, it will says that invalid operator. And similarly, if you want to expand this program, yes, you can expand it by using else statements. Let me take this function and run this first. Simply, I don't want to take any corrections now. Go back to our PyCharm IDE. It's a PyCharm IDE. Take a paste here. Yes, defining a function. Even I'm not doing any line of code, I'm not writing here. So let's come back here. Yeah, now just run the program. Right click on the file name, run calculator. Yes, the running is done. Please enter the operation you would like to perform. Yes, let me check for addition. Yes, hit. Please enter the first number. It's a 20 for my number, and the second number is also 20. So hit and enter. 40.0, like a float we have a converting the data, so it is a 40.0. so the calculation is done. Let me check once again. So the subtraction, you can check the profits and all, the sale value, sorry, it's a subtraction, it's a minus. Hit enter. 70, hit enter first number, and the second number it's on a 50. So hit enter 20. The process finished with exit code with 0 means your program is running successfully without a doubt. And multiplication, subtraction, like a division, what you want to see as a developer, if you need a requirement and you know how to ask and how to ask a query, then your problem statement solution is ready with ChatGPT. Why don't you try with your queries and test it? If you know the basic, how to what is function, what is the if else statement, how the construction is happen, these are the basics. If you know, yes, your program is ready and you will get a quick answer. Yes, if you are not satisfied with this answer, yes, there is one more option here for regenerate response. So that here is a sample calculator program for the performance of the arithmetic operations. Yes, while loop is also it's preparing. So if you need multiple programs, yes, you can try with the regeneration and take a copy of this code. If you need immediately to I have selected the code and taken a copy, and moreover also there is a clipboard option is there, copy code and take a paste into your Python or any of your favorite code editor and submit and run and test and enjoy coding skills and improve more and more than others. I hope it's a super easy lecture. Please do subscribe now for more interesting videos. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.